who is like the you'd say like the natural gifted one among the male actors? Like I know you guys acted, you dance so well with so
Amit
many.
Ji, Govinda.
Ah.
I mean, these are like amazing,
You did that Mera Pyar
naturally.
Kar Raha hai
Yes,
Chalna.
that's right. That's the
That
song I did
Bhagwan
with
Ji's
them.
movement,
Oh,
na?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Huh, that's
Bhagwan
like
Dada
Bhagwan
movement.
Dada
And yeah, yeah,
movement
yeah.
that you.
Yeah, we did
That,
that too in the song. We've done a
huh.
little bit of that. And of course, Govinda, such a lovely dancer.
Huh.
So I had like two great dancers around me, and we really had.
His was that grin on his face. Whatever movement he was doing, he had a grin on his face,
No,
and
I
it
think
was.
Govinda. It's one thing just to do a movement.
Huh.
It's another to feel it.
Huh.
To feel what you do. I always say you don't have to be perfect.
Hmm.
Even if you just stand, sometimes there's some people who just move and it just looks great because
Okay.
they feel the music, they feel the movement, they feel there's a interpretation in your own mind about every move that you make.
Did the directors like Zabardasti put in songs with dances in just because they knew that we're taking Madhuri, we have to have a song
Well,
with
there
a
was
dance?
a point, there was a phase where they thought that अभी माधुरी दीक्षित को लिए तो गाना तो होना चाहिए फिल्म में, and it used to be like good songs, and that kind of worked for me
Yeah.
because then I ended up getting lovely, great songs, in every movie of mine.
Yeah. And among the younger generation, which male actor would you think?
There's so many.
There's that Agre Ka Ghagra Ranbir. That's, oh my God, that's phenomenal.
Ranbir is good. I mean, most of the male performers, like Shahid Kapoor, is very good. Ishan is very good on stage. I saw him perform on stage, and he was amazing. There's, of course, Govinda. Like I say, he's the all-time. Hrithik Roshan is so good. Oh my God, when he dances, it's like poetry, literally.
Huh.
So all these are like.
But you
lot of
also
great
acted
dancers.
with Anil Kapoor, who isn't really a great dancer, but he has that timing.
He has the energy and the timing,
है ना?
which works for him. He might have like his footwork might not be right, but his expressions and his just that energy that he brings
That
to his
1,
song.
2 ka
Oh
four.
yeah.
That was so good.
That
the way
is
he did.
so. That's what I say. You don't have to be like a perfect dancer,
Huh.
but you just feel the music and you know how to move, and that's it.
Guys made a great pair with you and Anil Kapoor. It was like fabulous. And among the women dancers, the face-offs that you've done, I can think of with Aishwarya as the most stunning one with
Dola
Dola.
Re, yes, and that song was stunning.
Yeah.
And the choreography was stunning.
Everything, the
And of course,
cinematography.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali, his sets and the costumes and the way he shoots the songs.
How did you dance with that costume? Wasn't it very heavy?
It was very heavy. It was very heavy. Both of us were like, oh my God, But you dance. I mean, in Kahe Ched Ched Mohe, that maroon lehenga which I wore for Kahe
okay.
Ched Ched Mohe.
Yeah.
Like the dressmen, like 2-3 of them used to lift it like this and get it. Literally.
Really?
Yeah, it was very heavy.
No, even that one, Maradala.
That
also was
that
a
costume,
very heavy
yeah.
costume.
All the
right?
costumes were very heavy in the movie because the movie was grand. It was big, larger than life. So the costumes had to be that way, and not look false. Like they had to look real.